The Actuator Mounting Angle Calculator solves for optimal force transfer in linear actuator applications. Let's examine each input field. First, we have Actuator Force, where you'll enter the force your actuator can produce. Notice the drop-down menu offers 3 unit options: pounds force, newtons, and kilogram force. For this demonstration, I'm using pounds force. Next is the mounting angle theta, where you enter the angle in degrees between the actuator and the load arm. Finally, there's load arm length, which is the distance from the pivot point to where the actuator connects. The drop-down provides inches, millimeters, and centimeters as options, and I'm selecting inches. After entering your values and clicking Calculate Force Transfer, the calculator processes your inputs to determine the force transfer efficiency. The results section displays your calculated values, including the torque output, which represents the rotational force generated at the pivot point based on your mounting configuration. These outputs help you determine whether your mounting angle provides sufficient mechanical advantage for your application requirements. Understanding these relationships ensures your actuator system delivers the necessary force for reliable operation. Find the link in the description below.